Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
Right then, we're making cider, baby. We're gonna start with some apples. This is my old man's backyard. I don't know what apples these are. It's the first time I've ever made cider from scratch, but here we go. You wanna wash your apples, get rid of any little insects and any leaves and that. It's not too important, but check it out, baby. Now, from my understanding, you're gonna need your apples, boom, juicer, a jug just to pour in there. Now, you wanna inspect your apples, see if there's any. We're gonna cut them into quarters, baby, just to check for any insects and cut out any rotten bits like so. Boom, bam, cider, man. Now, these rotten ones, gonna dash them where, because we don't need them. We're gonna get to juicing, we're gonna bang them in there. This is my mum's juicer, I don't know what I go on, let's see. Boom, creamy, baby. Now, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna juice them. Now, see the sediment on top? That's what holds the yeast. That's the juice. We're gonna bang that in there. It looks disgusting, I know, but the end result may be okay. We'll see. Watch till the end and we shall see, baby. Now, we're gonna juice and juice. See that there? That's the pulp. Dry as a bone. We're gonna discard that. You don't need that. Now, look at this. You need to keep this top layer, because underneath, that's your liquid. That's lovely. But the top layer, you see, holds the... Oh, what a mess. Boom. 3, 2, 1. Clean. Now, we're gonna go with some aromats. I was self-isolating, so this is all I had. Some vanilla. Boom. Whole bottle. Bang that in. Some powdered ginger. We're gonna come through with some nutmeg, about 2 tablespoons of each, gave it a little lovely spice, whisker. Now that top layer, that's the yeast, that's what turns the sugar to alcohol. So we're gonna come with some sugar, granulated, 10 tablespoons, you can add some more later. The apples were quite sweet. Now, airtight seal your tub for a week.
1 week later.
Now, remove the lid and the smell will get ya. It smells off, but that's the whole point. Don't be alarmed. We're gonna skim the top layer of hard pulp. That shouldn't take too long with a ladle. Now we're gonna come behind that with a sieve, just to get that finer pulp off the top. Boom. Then we're gonna use the sieve. We're not gonna get rid of too much of the sediment because it's got a lot of yeast. What we're gonna do, we're gonna power through with the ladle, push that through the sieve, push. Looks like bread. Yes, man. Now we're gonna taste it, see if it needs sugar. It needs sugar. Bang that in. Give that a little mixer. Blendy. Yes, man. No messing. Back in your sanitized tub. Lid on for a next week. Cheers.
1 week later.
So that, my friends, is 2 weeks total. Now we're gonna get a lovely little bit of cheesecloth and a normal tea towel. Just use a normal tea towel, squeeze it out like so. Once you've done all that, boom, old tight Abbey Art account on the whole labelling thing. Follow her up, man. Now you're gonna need a funnel, a ladle. Look at that, looks like cider to me. Little cloth to deal with the spillage, baby. We're gonna fill a bottle, filler, no messing. Look at that. We need to label this thing. We need to pattern up. Boom! Abbey Art account again. Old type made G. Now we're gonna try it with the G's then. Now that we've made the cider, processed, bottled and labelled the cider, we're gonna try the cider with this guy.
Richard Pettyjohn, head chef, kind of a big deal.
And this guy.
I'm also here.
It does smell quite nice. It does actually. It doesn't smell terrible. I wish I was sceptical.
Looks like cider. Looks like scrumpy bloody.
Oh, someone is very dehydrated.
Ignore this. Right.
Oh dear.
We're gonna try this now. It smells like apples, to be fair.
It does, it smells very fruity.
You ready?
Cheers, fellas. Oh,
Oh.
no.
The first of many.
That's strange.
Gets the job done, doesn't it?
No,
That's
I mean,
quite
like,
nice.
I was expecting it to be really pungent, but
It tastes like squash.
it tastes like.
It's definitely got alcohol in it.
Yeah. I like the sourness
Woo!
of it. It's slightly sour,
How'd you get the alcohol in it?
sweet.
You just let it.
pretty
So what
good.
you do, you
It's
juice
actually
the
alright.
apples,
This
and you
is
just let it rot.
extremely refreshing. On a hot summer's day, that would be insane.
Over ice, mate.
Yeah.
It's not bad. Not bad at all. Now we just need to see if we're all gonna tip over.
We'll be blind in the morning.
Yeah.
How alcoholic would you say?
I need to let it
Okay.
hit my kidneys.
Tastes like 5 maybe. It tastes like a medium.
Fergus, get off me foot.
That is
a good
nice.
start to things.
If you want to make it better, you could add some blackcurrant cordial for a bit more fruit, or elderflower cordial to give it an extra fragrance. As a standalone drink, it's pretty good. It is pretty good.
I quite like it.
I
Empty
finished
bottle.
mine.
Delicious.
What do you think, Mike?
It was very nice, yeah. I want to try it on a summer's day, like Richard said.
It's really refreshing.
Good-ish, yeah?
And I didn't have
Very
to force
nice.
it
It's
down.
good, the schnitzel now. Good for Oktoberfest, yeah? Goodbye, bloody. Ciao! Say bye, Michael.
Bye, Michael.
Neighbor station.
If you click the link on your screen right now, you'll help to feed a bunny. I have 2 bunnies who need feeding. You dig?